Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is going to be focused on math literacy, and we'll be looking at grade 12 maths literacy paper 1, which is an exam out of 150 marks, in which you will get 3 hours to complete the paper. But before we get into the paper, let's look at paper 1. These are the topics that are covered in paper 1, which is usually finance, data, and probability. So finance in paper 1, it's usually 60% finance, and then 35% data handling, and 5% probability, right? And usually question 1 is like 30 marks plus minus 5 marks. 30 marks or more. And it's level 1 questions from finance and data handling. And then question 2 is finance, question 3 is data handling, and question 4 is integrated context on finance and data handling. So including growth charts that assess the application of measures of speed in data handling. And then question 5 is finance, data handling, or integrated questions. Probability will be examined in the context of one or more of the questions. Each question can contain more than one context. So that is for paper 1. So let's go ahead and look at our paper. We are going to be doing the Free State Math Lit Prelim paper 1 for 2023. And let's go ahead and look at the first question, question 1. Question 1.1 reads, Tando received the slip below after purchasing prepaid water at one of the approved vendors. So then they give you a slip with it's a prepaid water slip. And it has all the information, the credit token, the municipality, the units, the credit units, the meter number, the date, etc. Okay, and then the question says, use the information above to answer the questions that follow. Question 1.1, write down Tando's meter number. So then you go back to the slip and you look for where it says meter number, and you find the meter number there. If you look at the bottom, it says there, meter number, and then on the right-hand side, there's 41150801. That would be Tando's meter number. And then next question 1.1.2. Identify the maximum number of kiloliters that can be bought at 9 Rand 66 cents per kiloliter. So if you look there, you go back to the slip and you look for that 9 Rand 66 cents, and you'll find that you'll get 6 kiloliters of water. Okay, then next question. So there your answer will be 6 kiloliters. Please make sure that you write down the units of measure, whether it's kiloliters, it's liters, whether it's in currency. Make sure you write down the right currency. And sometimes you'll find that they will write maybe a number and they'll say this will be in thousands. You'll see in a question that we'll do, it will say it's in thousands, but they'll only write the units. And then you have to remember that it's in thousands, so you fill in the full number. So yeah, but that's in a different question. Just make sure that you fill in the correct units of measure there. And then question 1.1.3, it says, write down in full the type of tax charged for water as shown in the context above. So you go back to your slip, you check anywhere that talks about tax. If you look under wage written amount, there is VAT at 15%, and it gives you 195.89 rands. So write down the type of tax. The type of tax is VAT. In full, it is value added tax. So the answer there will be value added tax. And then question 1.1.4 says, show how the VAT amount is calculated. So you will get your formula. You write your formula there, which is 15%, which is 15 over 100, multiplied by 1305.95, and you get your answer of 195.89. That's how you do that. And then Question 1.1.5, they ask you to find the term tariff in the given context. So you need to use the definition of tariff, but in your response, it has to relate to the context of the question, which is about water. So in this case, the correct definition for tariff would be tariff is the amount charged per kiloliters of water. So you get a mark for amount charged at per kiloliter. Please remember that with Mathslet, you get marks for writing out in full and you get marks for specific things. So if it's a formula, make sure you write your formula out step by step. If it's the more you write, the better it is for you. So make sure you write things out step by step and you also write things out in full. Okay, then it says, question 1.1.6 says, determine the missing value, the cost of using 15 kiloliters of water in the context above. So you can either multiply there and get your answer. So you can say 15 kiloliters multiplied by 25 rand 23 cents, and you'll get your answer. That is 378.45. So yes, that is question 1.1 up to 1.6. Okay guys, that has been question 1.1. Please like and subscribe and tune in for more. We will continue with the paper all the way up until the last question, which is question 5. I hope this will be helpful, especially in preparation for prelim examinations, and good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.